Hello everybody, we are here at the site of the Oint Country Homes, and today I have someone very pivotal to this particular project with me, and I'll give him an opportunity to introduce himself to us and tell us just what's been going on here. So without further ado, allow me to introduce to you
Sam K Thuo.
uh-huh.
Wow. Hi, everyone. My name is Sam K Thuo. I'm the project manager for the Oint Country Homes. This is an amazing project.
Thank you, Sam. Well, guys, you've heard it from the project manager himself. Now, Sam, people watch and they hear from my perspective, they hear from Jean's perspective. Now, from your perspective as the project manager, allow me to ask, what's your overview take on this particular project, the Oint Country Homes?
Wow. I would say that, first of all, if you watched us from the beginning, that was the groundbreaking, till today, you can say that there is quite good progress
Very
and
true.
commendable progress. Number two is that this project was thought all through, and it was thought all through from conceptualization of the project,
Okay.
that many things were agreed before we even hit the ground.
Wow.
So that gave us a good leverage in terms of achieving this progress.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
well, kudos, Jane. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Now, can I ask you to share with us a few of the highlights that you've seen in terms of the contractors, the architects, the speed that the progress is going on at the project? Just for you to share with us a few of your highlights in terms of how the Oint Country Homes is progressing.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
I would say that every project constitutes of two or three sets of teams, and the first main team is the client.
Okay.
This
yes.
is now, for example, in this project, Jane, and then now we come to the next set of the team, which is the consultants,
Okay.
the architect, the project manager, the engineers, everybody in that area of offering the technical support.
Yes.
And then now the third team, which is the contractor, is now the person executing the project on site. So when I mentioned that this project was agreed on set, the client had the idea of what she wants to deliver to her clients.
Very true.
And this vision, now she had to explain it to the technical team. Particularly, she explained to me, then we sat down and agreed we need to now look for an architect. We did interviews, we did research, because we had to get the best.
Very true.
So after that, we got the other consultants, that is the structural engineer, the QS, the mechanical, the electrical, the NEMA, the physical planners, everything. And then now we had to now see if this design is done and we have a certain budget to be executed, how much is it going to cost the development?
Yeah.
And when that was achieved, then we were able to say, now we go to the procurement of getting the best contractor.
Right.
So remember, we have not come to ground yet.
Yes.
So now when this is now done and agreed upon, and we have seen, we have firmed up this information, we have firmed up on the design, and you note that when the contractor is coming on site, there are not so much delays because something has not been thought of.
True.
In fact, this is a project where what Jane has been giving out is ideally and exactly what they are going to get on ground.
Wow.
If any change is actually just a modification to better the design.
You're still getting a great deal.
So we are because when now you come on ground, you just can see maybe here we need to add something, but to actually make the design more practical and more functional.
Yeah.
And the reason why the contractor has managed to do this progress is because he had everything, absolutely everything. When it comes to the architectural design, structural, mechanical, he's not like thinking on his own where to put the piping.
Okay.
Everything is laid down.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you. You know, we also don't take it for granted.
Yeah.
We hear back and forth. I
Yeah.
can attest. Sam, can we?
Yeah.
So we can see how much that hard work and dedication that's gone in behind the scenes
Yes.
is now translating physically for us to see. And if I can ask you, with the speed that we're moving in,
Yes.
what is the time frame maybe you can give us for us to have a complete home, complete homes even? Yes.
Ideally, the project was supposed to take about a year or so. But now you can imagine within, I would say, like if we did groundbreaking in June,
yes,
and now we are in September, within 3 months we have managed to achieve this. We're almost halfway of the development, which would mean that, I don't know, I'm just amazed that within 6 months we can actually be done with this project.
Guys, have you had that?
I don't want to mention 6 months, but I want to assure our clients out there who have committed to this development that this is where you don't want to miss to commit to, because the speed you are moving in, I think the next time you are coming in, we're just likely to put up a sold out.
Yeah, it's all sold out. You just missed out on the Oint Country Homes just like that.
I hope the ones who are watching right now will not say sold out, because
they
by
need
the time maybe they need to come now.
Yes.
If they don't, then that means they will find us in phase 2 or phase 3. Yeah.
And guys, as you can see, great work, great skill, great minds behind this amazing project. What more do you want us to tell you? If you'd like to come and visit us here at the Oint, at the site, give us a call. Visit our offices at Jewel Complex, 2nd floor. Or you can call us on 0721260000. We would be delighted. We have a very able team. If you have any questions, they would not mind taking the time to sit and answer and break it down for you. This is the Oint Country Homes by Amara Realty. Come for your peace of mind.
Thank you.
Amara Realty, for your peace of mind.